Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install Docker on a Raspberry Pi running the Fedora operating system. Docker is a powerful containerization platform that allows you to run applications and services in isolated environments. Before we begin, make sure you have a Raspberry Pi with the Fedora operating system. If you don't have Fedora yet, you can download and install it from the official website. Open the terminal on your Raspberry Pi and follow these simple steps to install Docker. After these simple steps, you have successfully installed Docker on your Raspberry Pi running Fedora. You can now create containers and run various applications and services in isolation and efficiently. That's it. I hope that I could help you.